Christmas stuff.
Mum, at one point someone put me in the eye. Got put in the eye, getting it. Boys. I got put in the eye because everyone pushing it.
Spinning and turning and spinning and turning. You ready? GoPro strapped on. Hold on tight, guys. It's open now, legs. Is that okay?
No.
You did it though.
Et attendez bien qu'on vous dise de descendre.
You just did that, Lace. You just big thunder.
Tell me if this is weird or not.
What's
it's
weird?
It's fun and scary at the same time.
Oh yeah. I closed my eyes most of it. You go find some more water?
I didn't close
What do you think of Big Thunder?
It was fun.
It was fine. You're screaming your head off.
I thought it was fun.
Oh, I thought you said fine.
I said fun.
It was fun, yeah. What do you think?
I also wasn't screaming my head off.
What do you think, Mum?
Oh, really dry lips.
Have some water.
What I was saying.
You like Big Thunder though?
Yeah, I love Big Thunder.
I like
I prefer Hyperspace Mountain though.
Which
Not
one?
Mountain, Hyperspace.
Have some
water.
Have some water.
I'm not. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.